guys, like I always say, Namaskara everyone, Andariki Namaskaram, Ellargu Swagatam, and a very warm Vanakkam to my own channel, that is Chem GPT Class 9 to J NEET. Everybody, do not forget to subscribe to this channel because this is my own channel. This is not going anywhere. And yes, I will be teaching you here. I have been teaching 9th and 10th standard students as well as JE chemistry. I have been teaching for 1.5 years now. So I thought that JE chemistry is very closely related to NEET chemistry. Why not do something for the NEET student? Because so many students have been telling me, please do something for the NEET students as well. So yes, this is why my channel is, the name is that. However, right now, today my session is about how to balance board examination and JEE mains because I understand that this is a battle. This is an ultimate battle between board exam versus JEE mains, everybody. And I understand that you feel like you are stuck between NCRT boards, NCRT books, and you are stuck between the mock tests. So don't worry about it. Today I am going to tell you everything how to become from zero to legend in just this month, everybody, because let's face it, you have around 15-20 days for your board examination. That is especially chemistry is happening on 27th of February, isn't it? But you just have one more month, that is March, and after that your examination for JEE mains is about to come. So very less time, but we are going to juggle it in such a way that both of these does not feel like a challenge. So stay till the end of the session because what I'm going to tell you is going to be perfect strategy for you, and I'm going to tell you each and everything, how to balance, how does your day look like, what are the challenges you should be taking, morning what should you do, afternoon what should you do, evening what should you do. And if you follow it, mark my words, everybody, you're going to come back and you're going to tell me. And in this video, yes, below this video, you're going to tell me in the comment section that ma'am, your strategy really helped. So let's get started, everybody. So yes, I understand that it is the ultimate battle. Now what happens is your mom is going to tell you that my son only wants a 95%. My son has to get a 95%. Whereas your coaching institutes, they're going to tell you that 99 percentile or nothing. And what do you want to do? You want to go to the you want to go to the Himalayas, because let's face it, so much of juggling can only make you feel like giving up on everything. Is that right, everybody? So don't lose your mind because we are here, I am here, and I am going to help you, right? Now, the struggle, I understand that it is very real, right? And most students, what they do is they either mess up their board examination, like me. I had very less percentage in board examination, and I did not even sit for JEE mains. I sat for the state engineering examination. That's what I sat for, and I could not even clear that. So this is my fate was. But honestly, to be very honest, I was not very inclined towards becoming an engineer. So I think it all worked, and I did end up in IIT. That is for sure. But what happens is, what you don't know is the right balance. And the right balance is very important, which is why this session is so very important. If you feel like you're drowning in formulas, right? Deviations and stress, of course. Let's not forget stress. So you are not alone. Because every teacher was also a student. I have been through that and I know that how it feels, right? Juggling between the board examination books and the JEE syllabus, it is very tough. So don't worry about it because I'm going to tell you, and I'm also going to tell you the common mistakes also. All right. Apart from that, one thing that you do not know is that the syllabus is same. All you require is a different mindset which can make you tackle both. All right. Now in boards, what is it that happens, right? In boards, what you get in board examination, you have to cater more towards theory and presentation. You must know the theory as well as how to present the answer, because it's a subjective answer. So you have to write it down very beautifully, showcase it, underline the words, bold them, or do whatsoever. In case of JEE, yes, the syllabus is vast. We understand because it's 2 years of syllabus. However, it's just concepts plus applications, right? But if you look at it, the class 12th syllabus is exactly the same for JEE as well as the board examination. So study one topic for both of them, but you can tweak how you revise. And how are you going to do that? So let me show you, everyone, how are you going to do this. Let's say that for chemistry, yes, in chemistry board examination they will ask you to focus more on NCRT line by line, some equations, and you will have to take a look at the reasoning. But if you talk about JEE mains, then you notice that here PYQs or problem solving shortcuts are more required. Let's talk about physics. In physics, you will require derivations, formulas, and theory. Yes, clarity. Theory in clarity is very much required, whereas in JEE mains, you again require concept application and numericals. Let's talk about mathematics. Here you get stepwise solutions. If you do go for stepwise solutions, then you do get some marks, and you also get method marking. That means for each and every step that is correct, each and every method that is correct, for that you get stepwise marking. But here you need short tricks, you need to solve MCQs, and you need to have a good speed, because in JE we all know how much the maths paper is always very very lengthy, isn't it? The maths paper is always lengthy, and you are never left with time, which is why speed drills are absolutely important in mathematics when it comes to JEE, everybody. Now I'm going to give you the time management chart, everyone, here, so please take a look at it. Morning, I think you should focus more on board exam theory, and that you should do it for 1 to 2 hours. Let's talk about afternoon. Afternoon, you should go for JEE practice plus PYQs, and that you're going to do for 2 3 hours. Evening, you are going to go for NCRT reading plus board writing practice, and that you're going to do for 1 to 2 hours. And at night, every alternate days, you can take a mock test, or what you can do is you can also do it the other way around, right? At least the night routine you can shift to morning, because let's face it, morning is when you appear for the examination. So tuning your biological clock is very very important, and you can talk to all the students who I have been teaching for the last 1.5 years, and they have told me that how my strategies have worked really beautifully for them, and how much my sessions have helped them. So you can also definitely talk to them and find out about it, okay? Now, there is one thing that you need to really understand, that is PYQs are your best friend. Now, be it board examination, be it JEE, PYQs are definitely your best friend, everybody. For board examination, please solve the past 5 year PYQ, which I am doing in my channel, everybody. Right? So, if you just go to my channel, let me show you right here. If you just go to my channel, 1 second, let me show this to you. Let me show this to you. Sorry, there's something in my eyes and it's constantly itching. There's something in my eyes, sorry. Yes, so as I was showing you, 1 second. Chem GPT. Yes, showing it to you. Look at this, everybody. So if you just go to my channel here, I have already taken electrochemistry, and I will be doing the other chapters as well. So quickly go and subscribe to the channel, because everyone, you will be losing out on very important questions, because here I am doing the past 5 years or past 10 years of board questions, and I'm doing top 30, top 50 questions. So just subscribe it, because I can guarantee that you will be getting to see exactly these questions in your board examination. Now, moving ahead, everybody, for JEE, definitely you must solve past 10 years of PYQs, because from past 10 years, if you solve, you get to see that all the concepts are getting repeated every time. In fact, the type of question are also getting repeated always, okay? Yes. All right. So in boards, what is it that you have to focus more on? You have to focus more on sample paper. You have to focus more on previous year papers. For JEE, you are going to focus more on previous year question papers. Of course, PYQs are very important, and topic-wise mock test. Please understand that in both the cases, PYQs cover 80% of the actual question. So if you solve PYQs very, very well, trust me, you are going to get the marks. There is nobody who can stop you from getting the marks. So here is a checklist for NCRT mastery, because NCRT is very important for both the examination, right? So how are you going to study NCRT? There is a trick how to study NCRT. You can't just go mindlessly page by page, glance at it and think that, oh, I know everything. That cannot happen. You have to underline the important formulas and definitions always. Yes, memorize the examples and reasoning based question, because these examples, the in-text question, you don't trust me? Let me tell you something, that even in JEE mains, the in-text question, those pink color boxes, exactly the same question has been repeated in JEE mains. Not even kidding. Not even kidding you. Seriously. From general organic chemistry, this year the in-text question related to Carrier's method BaSO4 that has come. Exactly the same question, ditto, same to same. They haven't even changed the data, that is 40 gram or 400 gram. They haven't even changed that. All right. And fun fact here is that most of the J mains questions are actually directly from NCERT. So why are you not studying NCERT? You tell me. Why are you not studying NCERT? I really think that you should be studying NCERT, and this is the trick how you should be studying NCERT. So focus more on NCERT. NCERT is a very important book. Trust me on this, without NCERT, you really cannot do anything. Okay. All right, everybody. Now, moving ahead, here is a 20-day plan that I'm going to give you, because I understand that your exam of chemistry is on 27. So I'm going to do this only for chemistry, everybody. First 6 days, revise for boards 80%, and for J, you do that for 20%. Okay. So whatever you are studying for boards examination, 20% of it, give it to J so that you can do topic wise mock test. Next 8 days, revise for board examination 50% and for JEE 50%. And the final 6 days, revise JEE 80% and boards at 20%. And that, my dear students, is going to lock the marks for you. I know in the internet there are plenty, there are thousands, there are 10,000s of videos related to this strategy. Believe me, if you follow this, you will get the marks. I swear to God. My channel is a very small channel. It's a baby channel. Nobody knows about it so much. But if you get to go through this, are you going to let other students know that they must subscribe to the channel? Because that is going to help me very, very, very much, everybody. And the final summary, I'm going to tell you, everyone, that study one topic for both of them, and PYQs plus NCERT is going to be your success mantra, everybody. All right. So if you think that this is going to help you, and if you think that you are going to utilize this strategy, remember that you cannot follow any other strategy, because too many cooks are going to spoil the broth. Watch the video. Doesn't matter. I'm not asking you to not watch other people's video. Watch it. But if you want, utilize only one strategy. Don't use all the strategies, because like I said, too many cooks are going to spoil the broth, spoil the dish. That's what they say. That's what they say. Right? So if you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe it, and also please share it with your friends, because this is very, very important for me. This is my own channel. Subscribe for some more epic exam hacks like this, everybody. I'll see you in the next one, everyone. Tara, bye-bye. I hope that I haven't taken so much time from you. And I'll see you next time. Stay tuned for the next video. Lots of love. Tara, bye-bye. I'll see you later. Bye.